Have you ever wondered why some people have jet black hair while others are blonde, brown, red, or even silver? Why do some people hair change color with age? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind hair color, from how your body makes pigment to why hair turns gray and why the hair color can naturally change over time. Let's begin our journey into the hidden science of human hair. Chapter 1: What is hair made of? Before understanding color, we first need to understand hair itself. Each strand of hair is made mostly of a protein called keratin. Hair grows from structures beneath the skin called hair follicle. Heavy hair follicle contains hair root, hair bulb, blood vessels, stem cells, pigment producing cells. Hair grows in three layers: cuticle, the outer protective layer made of overlapping transparent cells. Second one is cortex, the thick middle layer. This is where almost all hair color is stored. It also provides strength and elasticity. Third, medulla, the inner core. Some fine hairs do not even have this layer. The cortex is where the real story of hair color begins. Chapter 2: The pigment that colors hair. Hair gets its color from a natural pigment called melanin. Melanin is produced by a special cell called known as melanocytes. The cells sit inside each hair follicle. As the new hair grows, the melanocytes inject tiny pigment particles into the developing hair shaft. Once the hair emerges from the scalp, the color is fixed. Hair is no longer alive, so it cannot produce or change pigment on its own. Chapter 3: The two types of melanin. There are two main forms of melanin. Eumelanin, this pigment creates black hair, dark brown hair, medium brown hair. The more eumelanin present, the darker the hair. Higher amount of produce black hair. Moderate amount produce brown hair. Small amount produce light brown hair. Pheomelanin. This pigment creates red hair, orange shades, golden tones. When pheomelanin dominates and eumelanin is low, hair appears red. A mixture of both pigments create many shades in between. No third hair pigment testing. There is no separate pigment for blonde hair. Blonde hair simply contain very little melanin because there is less pigment. More light reflects from the hair, making it appear yellow or golden. Chapter 4: Why are hair colors different? This is determined by your genes. Genes tell us melanocytes how much melanin to produce, which type of melanin to make, how pigment is distributed. To identify many genes that influence hair color, one of the best known is the MC1R gene, which plays an important role in producing red hair when certain inherited variants are present. Hair color is usually influenced by many genes working together, not just one. This is why siblings can naturally have different colors of hairs. Chapter 5: Why is black hair the most common? Black hair is the most common natural hair color in the world. Most people have high levels of eumelanin. Black hair is especially common in Asia, Africa, parts of South America. Brown hair is also widespread across the globe. Blonde hair is naturally most common in Northern Europe. Natural red hair is the rarest. Chapter 6: Why does hair turn gray? One of the biggest mysteries is why hair loses its color. As we age, melanocytes gradually become less active. Eventually, some hair follicles stop producing melanin altogether. New hair then grow without pigment. Without melanin, hair first appears gray. As pigment and non-pigmented hairs mix over time, if pigment production stops completely, hair appears white. Gray. Chapter 7: Does stress cause gray hair? Scientists have found evidence that severe long-term stress may contribute to earlier graying in some people. Stress activates hormones involved in body flight or fight response. Other influences include genetics, age, overall health, certain medical conditions, nutritional deficiencies. For most people, genetics remain the strongest influence on when hair starts to gray. Chapter 8: Can hair change color naturally? Yes, hair color can change throughout the life. Many babies are born with light hair that gradually darkens during childhood as melanin production increases. Sunlight can also lighten hair over time because ultraviolet rays break down some of the melanin in the hair shaft. Hormonal changes during puberty or pregnancy may also influence hair color in some individuals. Chapter 9: Why do some people have blue or green hair? Naturally, humans do not produce blue, green, or purple hair pigment. These colors only appear through artificial dyes or certain visual effects. Sometimes, every dark hair may reflect blue tones under bright sunlight, but this is due to the way light reflects from the hair surface, not because the hair contains blue pigment. Chapter 10: Hair color around the animal kingdom. Humans are not the only creatures with colorful hair or fur. Animals also rely on melanin for many other coat colors. For example, black panthers have high level of eumelanin, red foxes have more pheomelanin, polar bears appear white because their fur contains very little pigment and scatters light, while their skin underneath is black. Amazing hair facts. The average human head is about 80,000 to 150,000 hair depending on hair type and natural density. Hair grows approximately 1 to 1.25 centimeter, about 0.4 to zero point 0.5 inches per month on average. Melanin also gives color to your skin and hair contains no living cells once it emerges from the scalp. Each hair follicle produces on its own strand independently, so neighboring hairs can grow at different times. Common myths versus facts. Myth: pulling out one gray hair causes more hair gray to grow. Fact: false. Each follicle functions independently. Removing one gray hair doesn't change neighboring follicles. Myth: cutting your hair changes its color. Fact: false. Hair color is determined inside the follicle before the hair grows. Myth: shampoo changes your natural hair color. Fact: regular shampoos clean the hair but do not alter the pigment produced by the follicle. Color depositing products are a separate category designed to add temporary or semi-permanent color. Myth: everyone turns gray at same age. Fact: false. The age at which hair grays vary widely and is strongly influenced by genetics. Conclusion: hair color is a result of an extraordinary biological process involving pigment cells, genetics, proteins, and millions of microscopic interactions inside each hair follicle. Whether your hair is black, brown, blonde, red, gray, or white, it reflects a unique combination of inherited genes and natural biology. If you enjoy learning the science behind hair color, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more fascinating science explained in simple words. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.